That one look dirty on the outside. God damn! Look at that mug right there. Nigga. Ain't no way in hell. What? Bruh. Bruh. What? Come on now. What they got going on here, man? They might as well throw this thing away, man. Ain't no coming back from this, man. Goodness gracious, man. What they want me to do with this, man? I just need to load this bad boy up, take it to the dumpster. This mug came right on up out of hell, bro. God damn. Man, she need the Grim Reaper to come pick this mug up, man. Take it back to hell, cause God almighty, this mug right here, good googly boogie. Look at that, that shit is caked on there. God damn. Oh, shit. Man, let me put my camera up, man. I almost dropped it in the goo-goo juice. You know what? I need to just spray this degreaser in this mug, let this mug sit until the first of the year. What is that? What is that? Y'all tell me, what? I would say I've had worse, but man, I don't know. Look at the top. Yeah, dang. That mug, man, I don't know what they was doing to this mug. Man, let's see how much water I got left in this mug. Y'all can see, so these things hold 500 gallons. That's that ain't quite halfway, so I probably got, if I took that one and could put it over here, I probably have about this much. So I would say about 75% of one full tank. Strap her down. Crank this bad boy up and let's get rolling. This nasty goo-goo juice. Alright, this is after one cycle. Let's see what this mug look like. Dang! Oh, what is that? My scalp on the side of the trash can. Yeah. Man, that stuff peeling off. Goodness gracious. We're done. I've been on this trash can for about 25 minutes now. Let's see how much water we got left. God damn. We finished just in time. That's how much water I got left from cleaning this trash can. But let's see what this bad boy looks like. Bring it down. Ooh, she's smoking. Ooh. Oh, man. Look at that mug. God damn, that boy is good. Man, give y'all boy a call, man. Come on now. Y'all need y'all's trash can clean. Give your boy a call, man. Canitizers, trash bin cleaning. Call me at 254-213-8568. Better yet, just go book on getcanitized.com. That boy good. Let's give him some of them premium squirts. Squirt, squirt. Y'all know what I just realized? I was looking back here and I'm guessing my thing might be plugged up, man. Some might be in it. Probably from this nasty trash can, but look. Dang. I'm gonna have to go get that out. I'm gonna have to go get it out. Darn it. He done plugged my machine up.